Tired of transferring money back and forth? Let's bridge the gap by directly linking your Wisely card to Cash App. First, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of your Cash App home screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Scroll down until you find Linked Banks and tap on it. This is where you'll manage your connected bank accounts and cards. On the Linked Banks screen, tap Link Card. You'll see a list of options, including Linked Credit Card. Select Linked Credit Card even though Wisely card is debit card. It often works best this way. Now, carefully enter your Wisely card details. This includes the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, the CVV code on the back, and your billing zip code. Cash App might send a small verification transaction to your Wisely card. This is normal and helps ensure the card is valid. Once verified, your Wisely card will be listed as a linked card in your Cash App account. You're all set. Now you can easily add funds from your Wisely card to your Cash App balance or send payments directly.